Hi, welcome back to another episode of Reading Pandas. This is Miss Mamta here, and I want all of you to say hi. Hi, Miss Mamta. Hello. Hi. Yes, and before we start learning our next letter, let's all revise the alphabet song. Are we ready? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very, very good. Now let's see which letter is going to come and meet us today. So are we ready? Yes! And our letter for today is letter B. This is uppercase B and this is my lowercase b. And this letter B makes the sound of B, B, B. Come on, I want everyone to repeat after me. Letter B makes the sound B. And don't forget, this is uppercase B and this is my lowercase b. And how do we write our uppercase B? We have one standing line, we have one bumpety bump, and then we have another bumpety bump. But in our lowercase b, we just have one standing line and one small bumpety bump. Very good. And now we have our letter B friend. Do you want to meet him? Yes. So let's go. And guess what? Who's come to meet you today? It's Balu the bear. Can we all say hi to Balu? Hi! Balu, can we all say hi to them? Hello everybody. And you know what? Balu the bear also begins with the sound B. We have our uppercase B and we have our lowercase b. And do you want to listen to a story? Yes. So one day, Balu the bear was walking and he was very, very tired. Oh, I'm very, very tired. I want to eat something. So Balu went and he found a bumblebee. And, hey, Mr. Bumblebee, can I eat you, please? But the bumblebee said, no, please don't eat me. Please spare me. All right, but I'm very hungry. So then Balu saw a banana. I don't want to eat a banana. I want to eat something else. And then after some time, he found a butterfly. Oh, can I eat you, Miss Butterfly? Can I eat you? You look delicious to me. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me, said Miss Butterfly. Oh, I have an idea. Can I give you a pair of binoculars? So Miss Butterfly gave a binoculars and Balu took the binoculars and he said, let me look for some food. Let me look for some food. And far away, Balu found a bakery. And he also met Mr. Baker. Hi children, I am Baker. And Baker begins with the sound B. Hi. And when Balu the bear went to the bakery, let's see what did he find there. He found a B for bagel. And he also found B for bread. Yes. And when he went ahead, he found burger. Yummy. Balu was very happy. And what else did he find at the bakery? He found brownie. Wow. And he also found a bun. And going forward, he found some yummy crunchy for biscuits. And all these things, they all begin with the sound B. B for bagel, B for bread, B for burger, B for brownie, B for bun, and then B for biscuit. Balu was very, very happy. Yay! I have many things to eat. Hi! And we have here a baker in front of you. Can we all say hi? And baker also begins with the sound B. Yes, and we have a baker's basket. Yes, do you want to see all the B things in his basket? Yes. Yes, this is my baker's basket. We have B for bucket. We also have B for bun. We have B for breadsticks. We have B for biscuits. B bagel. B for bread. And he has B for brownie. So many things in the baker's basket that all begin with the sound B. Yes. And now are we ready for our baking activity? Yes. So let's begin. Are we excited? Yes. And do you have all your things ready? We have B for biscuits, B for banana, we have B for butter, and we have B for brownie. Yes, and now let's begin. So here I have my B butter knife. I want all of you to take a biscuit and I want you to just apply some butter. Biscuit and butter, they both make the sound B. And I want you to keep it in the plate. And after that, I want you to take one more biscuit and I want you to spread some butter. Yes, are we having fun? Yes. Yes. And then after that, I'm going to take some B for banana. So many B things today. And then I'm going to take some crumbled brownie. B for brownie. Yummy. This looks delicious, doesn't it? So let's put some more and let's press it down. Let's press it down to make your sandwich. And after that, I want you to take the second biscuit here and I want you to just keep it on the top. And let's spread some more butter. Yippee! And then you can bake this in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes and it's ready to eat. It looks delicious, isn't it? And now we are all going to sing a song from the letter B. Yes? So are we ready? Let's begin. I bounce my ball, B, B, B. I bounce my ball, B, B, B. The baker made some bread, B, B, B. The baker made some bread, B, B, B. The bee met the butterfly, B, B, B. The bee met the butterfly, B, B, B. Banana on a biscuit, B, B, B. Banana on a biscuit, B, B, B. Yes, very good. And I want you to practice this song every day. And now moving on to our letter B craft. Yes, and before you start this B craft, make sure all your things are ready. You have this B cut out. And then I want you to also keep the wings, the antennae, we have eyes, and we have some black stripes. And guess what? What are we making today? We are making a bumblebee on this letter B. So are we ready? And make sure you also have your glue stick handy. And you know what are we making from this letter B? We are making a bumblebee. So now let's start. So I want you to take the two wings first, and I want you to apply some glue here, and then you can just paste it here, right here. Yes, are we doing it? And then we take the next one. We just apply some glue here and just glue it like this. Yes, so our wings are all ready for the bumblebee. And then I want you to take the two eyes. You can put some glue behind this. Yes, and then you can put it here. Yes, a bumblebee is getting ready. Then I want you to take these antennae and you can put some glue here, and then you can just put it like this. Hey, yes, are we doing it?
Yes!
And then finally, let's take some black stripes. Let's make some black stripes for this bumblebee. And you can glue it here. Let's take one more and you can glue it here. One more like this. And you can put it here. Take one more. And let's glue it here like this. Yes, I think we can add some more stripes. And there we go. The bumblebee is ready. Did you enjoy this activity?
Yes!
For bumblebee. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes. Let's begin our worksheet. And this is my uppercase B and this is my lowercase b. And we have this bumblebee. Now this bumblebee is looking for friends. So let's help. And here before I begin, I have a blue crayon and blue begins with the sound B. So let's begin. Now this bumblebee sees a burger. Yes, and burger also begins with the sound B. So bumblebee, I want you to match it to the burger like this because they both make the sound B. And then we have a tortoise. Does a tortoise begin with the sound B?
No!
No. Then we have a baker. Baker, yes. What sound does it make? Yes, it makes the sound B. So this bumblebee will go and meet the baker because they both make the sound B. And now here, what is this? Yes, this is a dolphin. Does a dolphin begin with the sound B? Dolphin. No, it begins with the sound D. So can we match it to B?
No!
No. Now the next is a butterfly. Now butterfly begins with what sound? Yes, it begins with the sound B. So bumblebee can be friends with the butterfly. Yes. Did you match the bumblebee to butterfly?
Yes!
Very good. And now it's revision time. I hope you haven't forgotten the previous letter. So here I have a B for bucket. But in my bucket I have some cards. And I want you to tell me that it begins with what sound. So are we ready here? So here my first card is, this is alligator. Can you tell me alligator begins with which sound? Yes, it begins with the sound A. Very good. And then my next card I have is bumblebee. Now Can you tell me, bumblebee begins with which sound? Yes, it begins with the sound B. And then I have let me see which card. Yes. And we have, what's this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is ambulance. It's an ambulance. An ambulance begins with which sound? Correct. It's A. Ambulance. A. Ambulance. Now we have one more card here in my bucket. Who is this? Very good. That's a baker. But tell me quickly, your baker begins with which sound? Correct. Yes, that's B for baker. Very, very good. Very well done, children. I hope you found this tutorial of letter B helpful. I want you to practice A and B sound regularly till I see you soon with the next letter. Thank you so much for joining. And now can we say bye to Miss Mamta? Bye. See you soon. Thank you so much for joining in.